Hey guys, so some of you may have seen my last video where I showed you how I straightened my hair or gave myself a blowout at home, and a lot of you were asking what steps I would take to kind of reverse that process and get back to my curls, and I'm really excited that so many of you had asked about that because that was my exact thought process as well. Before we get into the other clips, I wanted to give you guys a bit of information on what exactly I'm trying to achieve by using these products and taking these necessary steps. There's really two things that I want to do. The first one is to remove the buildup that is on my hair. A lot of you guys saw that I actually use silicone products on my hair when I do straighten it. For me, I feel that it's necessary. If I don't use a product with silicones in it, I do feel like my hair, one, is more prone to breakage, and two, it's not as sleek, and that's probably due to the fact that silicones are a really good heat protectant. I know that they make some silicone-free heat protectants, and I have tried a few of those before, but nothing really works as well as silicones do. And then the second thing is going to be restoring my curls back to a hydrated and bouncy condition. We want to have them back and springing like they were as if we never used heat at all. So those are my two goals with this routine. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to cover right now. Let's go ahead, step into my bathroom, and I'll show you the exact products I use and the exact techniques.
So my favorite way to clarify my hair without stripping it is using DevaCurl's Build-Up Buster. I apply the product to my scalp first and then work it in really well. I find that activating it with water throughout helps to let it spread a little bit more easily, but I really focus this on the scalp first, and then I take some extra product, work it through the mid-lengths of my hair, and then just let whatever is left over kind of run through to the ends. But I really like this because it does not dry my hair out at all. We're going to deep condition out of the shower since we are doing a heated treatment. I'm taking the DevaCurl Deep Sea Repair. This is amazing for strengthening as well as giving your curl its bounce back. So I'm applying this mainly to the ends, working my way up, and then I'm going to place my hair in a bun, put a plastic cap on top of that just so I don't mess up my heated cap, and then place my heated cap on top. And I've already microwaved this for 2 minutes, and with this extra heat, the mask is really going to penetrate the hair. Then the only thing left to do is rinse after 15 minutes and style your hair as usual.
Okay guys, so that is everything that I do to get my hair from being straight back to curly. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you have any additional tips, be sure to leave them down below. I love that you guys kind of like help each other out with any questions. I know that a lot of you ask me questions, and I really do my best to answer everyone as best as I can to the best of my knowledge, but obviously everyone's hair is a little bit different and we all have slightly different needs and struggles, so I absolutely love that you guys interact with each other. Okay, so that is going to conclude today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible week. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I always have all of my links down below, so you can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm horrible at outros. I feel like they're so repetitive. Okay, bye.